Select cell E5. Type $VLOOKUP, open parenthesis, C5, H4 through I8, 2, closed parenthesis, in cell E5. The VLOOKUP function will look for the performance rating value in cell C5 in the lookup table, defined as the range H4 through I8. The function will then return the bonus percentage value found in column 2 of the lookup table. Since the optional parameter in the VLOOKUP function is not defined, the function will search for an approximate match to the value in cell C5. Press Enter. Excel returns the result of the VLOOKUP function in cell E5.